This clarifying Bacne spray was gifted to me by the brand, and if you deal with body breakouts, especially in places like your back or your shoulders where they're harder to reach, this is such an easy way to add acne care into your daily routine. So, of course, this contains 1% salicylic acid, which helps gently exfoliate the skin, unclog pores, and just target active breakouts. But it can also help support new breakouts from popping up. I also think this would be a really convenient option after workouts, especially if you tend to notice more body breakouts after you've been sweating. This formula also contains witch hazel and tea tree oil, which can help calm the look of redness, soothe the skin, and control excess oil. So, even though this is an acne focused product, the formula is designed to leave your skin feeling fresh and balanced rather than overly stripped. And we know salicylic acid alone can sometimes do that. Another ingredient that I really like seeing in here is the Moroccan argan oil. So it adds lightweight hydration and just helps support the overall skin barrier, which is important because sometimes acne treatments can leave your skin feeling a little dry. And because this is a spray, it makes treating those harder to reach areas so much easier. And I'm just going to show you how well this sprays. So the spray does have a lock on it. So if you need to travel with it, you're just going to turn it so it doesn't accidentally spray, but you twist it and spray. It's actually a really nice wide spray, so I think this will definitely come in handy. You can use this on your back, your shoulders, your chest, or anywhere else you're prone to body breakouts. So to use it, you're going to start with clean, dry skin, and you're going to want to be about 12 to 18 inches away. You're going to spray it on and then let it dry for around 30 to 60 seconds. And you can use it in the morning and again at night, which is great. I love that this combines breakout fighting ingredients with also soothing and hydrating ingredients all in one simple spray format. It's much easier than trying to rub something in. If body acne is something that you've been trying to manage, this makes it much easier to treat those areas consistently.